We are on our way out of my apartment to get on the interstate, y'all. Oh my god, it feels so good out here, y'all. It's like 55 degrees in January. Y'all look at Reese. It is, let me tell you something. When you traveling with a dog, it gets your nerves bad. I have made it to Tuscaloosa with baby, and he has moved in, and we're getting ready to go to the pet store because we got a fur puppy. Pet store, Walmart, no, pet store, Lowe's. And what we gonna eat? And you're gonna get something to eat. So, what about you? Say hey, baby.
What's up? What's up?
People know we want to vlog. People know we want to vlog. Is that the dog food your dog eat?
From.
We're looking for dog food.
I want to put him on some good nutrition, but I don't love you that much.
This dog food is $74. What kind of dog eat that?
I don't know, you better be on TV.
This food. $74. What brand is this?
I don't even eat that good.
I don't either. That's probably like a special breed, like a Dalmatians or something. Eat that.
That's fine.
Babe, what's the name of the store?
Pet Supplies Plus.
Are you happy about your move, babe?
I love it. It's just a lot of work, but I love it. She the best.
Oh, thank you,
Bought me
baby.
too much stuff. Thank you.
I love you. You're welcome.
Love you more. Y'all got pets. This right here. You get this one. Diamond Puppy 998.
We're gonna get a fish and don't got nowhere to put it.
They in the face. I got a homeboy look like that.
But you know, it's really beautiful. It's real beautiful to have an aquarium in your home.
It is. It's so hard to clean.
So on there, so.
Yeah, look at that page.
Okay. It is like another. Well, I'm not gonna say it's like a child having an animal, but it's a big responsibility. I feel like it can kind of prepare you for kids. Baby, what color rug you want? I like this, but that's gonna get dirty. First of all, the face you just made.
What I did?
You made a stink face. Y'all don't judge my baby. He didn't had a long day, so he ain't looking throw it away, but he's just tired.
I'm really looking throw it away.
No, you don't.
All right. What do you look like? Let me pick this up for my grandma's house.
No, they don't.
Especially this one and this one.
Yeah, that's ugly. But see, I like this. I'm just kind of weary of having like white or cream in a rug when you got an animal get dirty fast.
Yeah.
You could just get a babe, what about a like one like this?
A solid color.
Yeah. I mean, I'm not saying get it now, but something like that. We looking for stuff.
Yeah, I wouldn't get no white.
Cause they walk on their little paws. They just get there. I tried that. I had one like this, and it ended up getting real dingy looking. It's rolled up in my apartment.
For real?
I'm trying to hold on to it, and when we get a house, get somebody to pressure wash it.
I really don't see none that's like.
You don't see nothing that's sticking out to you?
Cause I was looking for like black or something with black in it.
Probably like gray and black. Or like okay.
I mean,
I was looking at that one. I really like this. This will be so cute.
Okay.
In like a little nook in a house. Has a mirror on top. It's only like I think it's like $60. That's cute. They got some cute stuff in here. I love those. So yesterday we really didn't do nothing much. We just what did we do, baby? We went and we got a doggy gate and went and got food. So yesterday we really didn't do much. We've been sleeping in pretty much the whole day today, and we're gonna go get some Mexican food from, what's the name of the place, baby? Los Tarascos. So I'm looking forward to that, and I'm gonna get me a drink, and we're gonna still go to the ABC store, baby, tonight. And we're also gonna record a video tonight for my channel. It's like a who knows who best video. So when we go to Walmart, I'm gonna get some supplies that we're gonna need for this video. Baby's outfit. You think you cute?
Nah.
I
don't know what's going on with it.
That's all you gonna eat? Food gone. I mean, not food ain't gone. That's all he ate.
I don't know what's going on. I'm disappointed in myself. Thoroughly disappointed. I don't have to-go plates.
Can you drink the rest of that?
Yes.
Can you drink the rest of that?
Yes. It is.
Oh man, my food is demolished. Baby, what did you have?
Supreme quesadilla.
Supreme quesadilla. Your face look over it.
I can't do nothing. Like, I'm full, man. Like,
that's a full plate.
I don't like that. I don't like that.
I had chicken chimichanga with rice and beans and a pina colada, and I'm still eating. I think your stomach shrunk because I think it's that shift you working, you'll be eating a lot.
It's ridiculous.
So Jonathan works overnight, and he gets off, he'll get off in the morning like around 8:30, right? And then usually he'll like eat breakfast then, and that's really the only meal he'll eat during the day. And then when you wake up at night to go to work, you just eat a snack. Let me eat like that. I lose a lot of weight.
I'll be sleep. I sleep during the day. Eat some cashew before I go to work.
Some cashews. A snack.
Wake up in the morning, get breakfast at Subway. No, not wake up, get off in the morning, eat breakfast at Subway. Wake up later. I'm not eating throughout the day.
Yeah, eat because you sleep.
Man, this is...
You gonna get a to-go plate, baby? Is tonight?
I don't believe in to-go plate.
Well, you better believe in one tonight, cause bruh.
They took from us, Joy Road, bitch, but the money long as 6 mile, brick mile, knock out, pull her tracks out. Yes, I slap girl, yes, I slap right, yes, I slap loud, yes, I slap a...
And now we are in TV heaven with Jonathan. He want a big TV so bad. Baby, that TV in your room is already big. Is this one in 4K?
Yep.
That is a good picture on there though.
I'm not going above 500.
Oh, look at this one. This one is so flat. Well, I mean, I'm not saying you have to get this one, but I like this. It's $700.
TCL, this is the one I was looking at. Look how big this is. 65 inches.
First of all, I got a question. Where is this gonna go?
In the living room. Put it on the wall.
That's gonna be too big.
It's beautiful. Look at it. Ain't it beautiful?
It is beautiful. He don't even be this excited about me. He don't be this excited about me. I don't get this kind of excitement.
I can't win. I can't win. I can't win, man.
Men love electronics, especially my boyfriend, because he's like really techie, into like world tech type stuff. But these TVs in Target are so freaking nice. I cannot wait until I have a house. I'm getting me a really nice TV. Give me a nice TV.
Okay. Shorty love the way that
I'm gonna try the sweet potato pie that I cooked for him. This is my first time making a sweet potato pie, so we're gonna see how he likes it. And I actually used Yasmin's recipe. Yasmin has a YouTube channel. She actually told me to send her a picture of the pie. and let her know how it came out. So
I love looking at you.
this is a picture of the pie. This is my first time making a sweet potato pie.
It's gonna be good though. You know
I want to get more into baking. I'm not a big baker. I'm not really like that skilled in baking, but when I was tasting the sweet potato batter before I put it in the oven, it tastes pretty good. So we gonna see. It looks good though, don't it, baby?
It looks good.
It looks good. So we're gonna see how this tastes.
You know what I'm saying? Let's just bring it back in here.
We're gonna get his reaction from this. If you feel like it's something missing from it, let me know. Cause there's so many recipes for sweet potato pie. You know.
I know it's gonna be delicious though.
Baby, this is my first time making it.
It's gonna be good.
Okay. I'm nervous.
Let me stop right there. Let me get another.
I didn't know. I was like, is it dark enough? But I was like, it don't gotta be real dark, do it?
Nah, I really don't like mine like overly cooked.
And I used a light brown sugar. I could have used dark brown sugar, but they didn't have any where I bought my brown sugar. So I think the dark brown sugar makes it darker too, but it still tastes the same, the sugar.
Ready?
Okay.
You ready?
Moment of truth. Be honest, Jonathan.
Let's see. I'm just playing, baby. You said this your first time making this?
Stop being dramatic. Yes, this is my first time making it.
How long you been practicing for this?
This is my first time. I got the recipe from this girl on YouTube that I went to school with named Yasmin. Stop being dramatic. Do you really like it?
Look, let me tell you how people be. It's my first time.
It was my first time making it.
And this is like, my grandmama been stepping on these sweet potatoes with her feet. That's how this is.
You like it?
On everything, like, alright, I heard it wrong.
Can you focus on me?
It is Sunday and we are just having a chill day in the house. Baby is getting ready to cook some pasta. He's cooking dinner for us.
Yes, I can get baby girl.
She want to get back in there and party pot, don't she?
Yeah.
But yeah, he's gonna be cooking for us. He got the Kaneka sausage. And then he got this, the jambalaya dinner mix. And good girl. Got the shrimp to go in there, so I can't wait for this. Hey baby. Tell them what you cooking.
What's up, baby? Trying to chef something up here.
No.
No, ma'am.
Trying to chef something up real quick.
Chef something up real quick.
Okay. We'll see the final product once you're done.
Let y'all see the final product. Hope they like it. You know what I'm saying?
I'm sure it'll be good.
Gotta pay baby back. You made that finger licking good sweet potato pie that you don't cut. You eat with a spoon.
How you eat it?
With a spoon.
With a spoon.
With a spoon. Ain't no slice.
I'm so happy you like my sweet potato pie.
I love it.
But yeah, this is the Kaneka sausage. Oh, it smells good. Can't wait. This is looking good, baby. You got your Kaneka sausage and stuff in there?
The shrimp and Kaneka sausage with these good old seasonings.
This is baby first time cooking, but it's looking good. It's looking really good. Say hey, Reese. Reese, you got up?
Reese. Get all this, put all this seasoning together by myself. I'm gonna let Zara take the credit.
They assisted you. That's okay.
They assisted me.
And that's okay.
That's alright. They did what they were supposed to do. It's alright.
Get you a man that's gonna cook for you sometimes, honey. Little Miss Pepper.
I'm just convinced at this point that you think that this your couch.
No, baby. You gonna get up there when you get a bath. So yeah, this has been a pretty like chill Sunday. It's been a good Sunday.
Yes.
I'm sad I'm leaving tomorrow.
I know, me too.
I miss you.
Alright, I miss you now.
I miss you too already.
Just don't leave.
Huh?
Just don't leave. Hey, I'm trying to have a good moment with my girl right now, and you ruining it. Ma'am, it's not always about what you want.
Miss Pepper. So everything is done. Well, almost everything is done. This is our bread, and then this is the pasta that baby cooked, and it looks so good. This is our dinner. Baby, you did so good.
Thank you, baby.
Thank you, baby. This looks so good. Baby did so good. Baby, what do you call this?
Jambalaya.
Jambalaya.